Hey guys, how you all doing? So Dan from Trading with Dan here. So hope you guys have all had a good day, having a good weekend, whatever you guys have been up to. So yeah, we're gonna do our 15-minute DMT and Dominator update. I finally worked out how to use live stream, and I have had to download this OBS software that I'm gonna try and suss out how to do the screen share and stuff in. So I'll have a go with that, and then I'll probably just be able to just do these updates live. It'll be easier to do it that way because then I don't have to faff about with recording these videos and sending them over. So anyway, so yeah, over to the charts. So here we go on the 15-minute Bitcoin here. As you can see, we're getting very close to this DMT sell line, and obviously 25-minute Dominator going to a sell as well. So potentially got some bearish price action incoming based on these indicators. We'll see what 25-minute Dominator is saying for Bitcoin also. 25-minute Dominator, yeah, that's turned to a sell. I actually knew that as well. I don't know why I just was pretending I didn't. I knew 25-minute Dominator was a sell. So as you can see, the last trade there, we got a 25-minute Dominator buy. Around here, went up, came down a bit, but ultimately went up 4% and then hovered around and gave you plenty of times to get out for plenty of profit. Either the first time, wait, just let me check I'm at the right. Yeah, so either the first move up, you could have got nearly 2%. The second move up, you could have got nearly 4%. Third move up, you could have got nearly 3%. And then we have now turned to a sell. So yeah, so we'll see what happens with the Dominator saying a sell now, quite close to the DMT line. Yeah, we could quite possibly get a bit of a move down, possibly when CME's open later on this evening. So the Ethereum DMT will also yeah, Ethereum DMT has been flip-flopping around a bit here. So we got the spike up into a buy. I mean, I'll measure it to see what it got up to. Yeah, it didn't even get to 1%. So this was a bit of a fake out on this indicator. Then got you into a sell. But the sell would have got you straight away with that wick, nearly 2% gain. But so with a trading take profit, you would have definitely locked in a good gain there, literally instantly, straight away. Also, yeah, you could still be in the trade anyway, and you're still around about break even on that trade. And then yeah, here is the 25-minute Dominator for Ethereum. I'm guessing it didn't get us. Yeah, it got us a sell. It basically got us a sell on this candle. So at whatever point on this candle you sold it at, I mean, if you sold it at the close, then yeah, again, instantly down about 2%. But you could have, if you have it to sell at candle basically open. So basically, as soon as that clicks to a sell, depends on whether you have it on your alert set to once per candle or once per candle close. Candle close, you're getting it there. Candle open, you're getting it there straight away. So if you got it straight away there, you were looking at a over 3.5% gain. So there you go. The Dominator and DMT updates for Bitcoin. It will be interesting to see what happens with the market this week. I mean, we're still. Sorry, this is Ethereum. Oh, let me just get rid of that. This is Ethereum. Sorry, this is Bitcoin. As you can see, we're still basically in a sort of rising pattern, channel wedge, whatever you want to call it. I mean, it's not a wedge, clearly not a wedge, but you could draw this as a you could potentially draw this if you've got a good imagination. You could draw this as a sort of channel. It's not, you don't have to have that great an imagination, do you? I mean, this is a channel upwards, but what I will say is it's a channel upwards that's come quite far up. But I mean, so did this one, so did this. Plenty of other channels in Bitcoin have done the same here. So this is we're still not out of the woods here by a long shot. I mean, we're not even holding over 9k. So we'd have to get over, well, over 10k, then over this high here, and then realistically clear of maybe this level, which is about, well, over 12,000 before you could maybe think, yeah, we're in the clear now. We're not going to revisit these lows. But yeah, something to think about there, guys. Let me just undo all of this messing about that I've done, so I don't have these lines on my chart forever. But yeah, so remember, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research. So I am becoming a bit I'm becoming like a little bit on the crazy side. Just with lockdown, been stuck in home, not been able to get a haircut, not really been able to go to the gym. Don't know how you guys are all getting on, but I suspect we've got at least another month of this here in the UK anyway. So maybe different wherever you guys are. From America, you guys have obviously you guys got your guns, so you don't have to take as much shit from the government as we have to here in England. With my pathetic country folk, they're just an embarrassment, guys. I was born on the wrong continent. Give me North America any day. Anyway, but yeah, so yeah, thanks for listening, guys. Yeah, again, not financial advice. Always do your own research, and I will speak to you guys soon.